Lesson 9. For Lesson 9, there are no new connection pieces. The new concept for Lesson 9 is syllabication, vowel chunking, vowel grabbing, looking at how to break multisyllable words up into more manageable pieces. With some words like campfire, compound words, as we saw in the last lesson, students don't tend to have problems with those because they can see the words campfire. They recognize them, they put them together, campfire. However, if you have a word that doesn't have baby words in it or compound words in it, sometimes that gets to be a little bit more tricky. With this one, we have the word admit. Short vowels, because again, they're closed by the consonants, admit. But what if you'd never seen that word before and you didn't know where to divide it? It's important that you have a strategy that is successful. One that we use is called vowel grabbing. It's a little tricky because you start at the back of the word. It's a little atypical. So what you do is you go to the end of the word, to the first consonant. Ooh, here he is. Next door you find the first vowel, and that vowel gets to grab the consonant next to him. That's why it's called a vowel grab. It's like he's grabbing and pulls him over by him. And then you check your vowels, okay? Closed syllable, short. Closed syllable, short. Admit. Admit. I recognize the word, admit. Excellent. Let's try another one. I wonder if you encountered this word. You'd never seen it before. Let's try the grab. Go to the end of the word. Find the first consonant. Vowel next door. Now we've got our vowel. He's going to peek over and he sees a consonant and he grabs him. So now we have lem. We look over here, what have we got? Consonant. He looks next door, there's a vowel. The vowel's going to grab somebody. He goes over and we have a blend here, so he's just going to grab the whole thing. Problem. Problem. I have a problem. Not anymore. Sounds like a word to me. Now we're going to look at syllable division with double consonants. In admit, as we had before, we did our vowel grab, consonant, vowel grabs the guy next door, consonant grabs the vowel next door. So what we have is admit, two short vowels. But notice also there's two consonants here. So that's what's going to allow us to have a consonant for this syllable and a consonant for this syllable. What happens when we've got a word like rabbit? Student spells rabbit. Okay, I've got it. Rabbit. However, if we apply chunking to that or vowel grab, go to our consonant, there's our vowel, grab. We have a nice bit here, but now this is an open syllable. Remember, an open syllable ends with a vowel. That says rabbit. Well, we don't want a rabbit running around. We want a rabbit. How do we make that happen? Well, we have to double the consonant. Two consonants keep the short guy in jail. So we're going to go rabbit. Even though when we say the word, we say rabbit. Now let's check with the vowel grab. Go to our consonant. There's the vowel. He grabs the consonant next door. Bit. We have a consonant. Vowel. The vowel grabs the consonant next door. Rabbit. 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 Yes. Now I know what I've got. A rabbit. In Lesson 9, you also look at another way to spell k at the end of a multisyllable word. We've already learned that in a single syllable word, truck, with one short vowel, we need to use the longest spelling, k, ck, to have it say truck. In a multisyllabic word, for example, let's look at picnic. Now, we have to have a k at the end of that. It's not ck, it's going to be c. Picnic. So it's the multisyllable word, final position, just the C. Let's look at another word, attic. In the attic. Again, instead of CK, it's going to be C. Attic. Another one, plastic. A plastic bag. Final position, multisyllabic word, one short vowel,